Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to log into GXS Bank on iPhone in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Open the GXS Bank app. First unlock your iPhone and locate the GXS Bank app on your home screen. Next tap the app once to open it. Step 2. Welcome and security reminder. When the app opens, you will see the GXS Bank welcome screen for your security. Always make sure you are logging from a safe and private environment. Step 3. Enter your registered mobile number. Next, enter your registered mobile number on the screen. This is the mobile number you used when signing up for your GXS bank account. Step 4. Authenticate with PIN or biometrics. Now enter your 6-digit PIN. If you have enabled Face ID, simply look at your screen to log in quickly and securely. Step 5. One-time password verification. For added protection, GXS bank may request a one-time password, also known as an OTP, to your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP on the screen to continue. And that's how you can log in into GXS bank on an iPhone. Now you can check your balance, transfer funds, pay bills, and manage your saving using GXS Bank app. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.